met my husband in Zaria in 2010. Then I went to school. We met in church. We were both members of the same technical unit. So when he asked me out, I refused because I was in a relationship. Not until I broke up with my then boyfriend in 2011, I called him and asked him if he was still single as at then, because it was already a year. He said yes, that he was waiting for me. So we got together, started dating. From there, we got married in 2016. And it's been a wonderful ride. On the 20th to be our wedding anniversary, 6th-year wedding anniversary.
I know someone they wonder why we play that video, but hey, we stay here with the couple themselves. They did with us, Mr. and Mrs. Charles Simon. They're the winners of Genesis Cinemas, Our Love Story. As a matter of fact, different people sending their own stories, but this one stand out, and they decide to talk to them this morning. How are they?
We are fine.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Your sister, your smile, I've been saying the thing will catch out well. As somebody who wins something very special. So we'll be here on a story before we'll continue. We could just hear them from the horse month now. How on a story is be?
No, take them go now.
Like I've been talked before. We'll meet for Zaria. Then me, I go school for Zaria. So I no agree. Because then I've been there with one guy then for Lagos. So not until when I travel go Lagos, Consi say the guy won't marry.
Chai.
I be no. Now for Facebook I see him.
Now
Facebook I see him say he won't marry. So I just still travel to go use my koro. I see him say true he won't marry. So after then I rush come back Zaria, come out and say okay, oh, that question you be asked me before. I don't already know.
If you ask me again.
If you ask me again. So you can say yes, say still they interested if they available. So now so we use.
And then I don't marry for how many years now? 6 years.
Yes.
6
6 years now.
Yeah, so Oga Charlie, can just drop on there. When she tell you say I don't ready now, how you take feel? You say, oh, you leave me go come back. How you feel?
First of all, I just look and say, you get waiting I see. As per guy man now.
Yes, now.
You get waiting I see. So I know I say okay. Maybe now how God take plan.
Now how God take plan and be that.
So
makes sense.
I say okay. Thank God. As that don't break your heart now. Me, I've been done the IU since.
As the last time I'm breakfast for you.
Yeah. So God just design am for me so that he go favor me. You understand that kind of thing? So now I say okay.
You see, another man breakfast, another man heartwarming. Alright, so as Genesis come out to this matter now and I come win, how does it make on a feel? So on a story and I come out, one of the most lovey-dovey story we make on a win.
It make me feel really happy when I see him say, na me win, and then I go appear here. It make me feel very happy. Be happy when we never small. So the person self way they talk to me, and they just they disturb her, they follow her back to back to like know when we go come,
So Oga, how the thing they do you for body now? When I share story, the thing can make sense. They come so now I win this thing.
Man,
how you take do you for body?
I feel so good. So good because I will not expect when she tell me say see what thing she they do. I will not expect say it will pan out like this. But somehow, as she tell me now, I say okay. I wasn't supposed to travel, but I say no. I postpone the journey first. My day here before at least who can grace this show, see how it go.
Okay, so when Ona being you should just talk as when she come, when they serve her breakfast, come back to you and all that. Then So, but she not tell us that Ona come cut within that process. I been just straight to marriage now and enter. This is what we do.
The thing strong.
It's strong. The thing carry weight. Okay. Say I tell you, say I get waiting me I see.
Okay.
Along the line, too many things happen. Too many things. Somebody even come all the way from UK.
One take him again.
One take him again.
But me.
No joke. You want take him after so many things. I feel bad anyways, but somehow I just say, if not the will of Papa God, let it be done.
And I saw God can let them done.
The man just come on his own, he waka come out.
As it take come, now it take go.
As it take come.
So how many years on a date or how many months on a date before they married? From when she accepts you?
From we start to the date 2012.
Okay.
2016, February 20th.
Now
Then we
married.
married.
2012, 13, 14, 15, 16, 4 years. So you still get mind after she agreed, keep her for 4 years.
You still they look things now.
You see the check out.
See the observe.
See the observe.
I see the observe.
So as you know, say a lot of time people they talk say for new married couples and that's this first few years now you use the test whether the marriage they dey. Una don dey for 6 years now. Wetin they keep una together? Wetin you fit talk am as guy man where you be where they do things where they observe? Wetin if you say they keep the marriage together? Madam self you self go tell us, but God, wetin you feel?
First of all, the thing you must be patient.
I wanna
Patience, because you know women, you know a guy man you be now. Women at times they'll just do some kind of things. You'll say, "Come on, shey na you dey behave like this."
Yeah.
But later when they come understand how they go, they'll still come back. So you need to be patient. You need to they forgive, and then that communication
Communication,
to
that's
the
key.
in between, because
Madam.
that's the key.
Okay, good. Like tell us your own part.
For my own part, I'll say tolerance, patience, and understanding.
Okay, tolerance, patience, and understanding. Now,
Yes.
talking about tolerance, patience, and understanding, among 12 for now, who they quick vex and who they quick quenching vex?
Who they quick apologize?
Who they quick apologize?
Vex.
Now you dey quick vex.
Hey!
Now you dey quick vex.
Are you accept that wholeheartedly?
quick
Your
vex.
full
This
chest.
confidence
I
I
ain't
dey
dey
quick vex.
vex.
At a quick verse.
And if he vex, sometimes they take before you go like calm down. If it take days, if it take weeks, it depends
Wow.
on how the thing take do am. So
Wow.
it dey take.
So you don't
sometimes.
learn that process, and so you
I
don't learn how to.
Sometimes I go beg. So sometimes I go say, wait till self. Rest. Wait till self. Don't you want to? Once I reach, come meet me.
But you know say,
Come meet me because you get assurance. Say you must
but
come
you know
back.
say,
Yes.
as a guy man, if woman do you something, the only way we get to express your dissatisfaction is just to say, okay, just lock up.
You're lock up.
Allow am first. So when she don't do that thing to the fullest, this vex you vex. No be say you vex, they go out. Like me now, if I vex, I know they go outside. I'll still close from work. I'll come. You give me food. I'll chop.
Ah, this is a one reject.
No. I know the best go.
So from you now, as madam, where you be, we will just help young ladies out there. What you could tell them, we want you aspire to be, to marry, to take they endure. This thing where you talk, this tolerance. How you go take advice, young women? Just small word, give them.
I will tell them, say, make them just be patient. Make them pray to God. Make them they always pray to God. Make them they seek Him face first, and then make them they patient. Make them they patient.
Then they also tune down on their stubbornness.
Yes. make them-
Don't mind me as I mentioned that one, my sister. Thank you, everybody who don't join us today. And I don't see our winners then from Genesis Love Story Matter. Now here, maybe so go back break on top of the program today. Thank you to everybody who make come happen. Now you go alpha, triple chief. I don't think I say you get a clap. They
It's
come.
again the kind matter where you go, yeah, about love.
Love is sweet.
Because say love is sweet.
Love is
Love is
sweet.
sweet.
Love
Love
is
is
sweet.
But my guy,
He say as guy man where you be.
that your pattern where you take they treat your wife, Shana, one of the best man.
We will see you at the same time tomorrow.
Again. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Have yourself a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Nice one.